All right, so we continue with the questions gathered so far from UNIBEN P-UTME chemistry. We have another one given to them here. Fuel in minus lamp is, we have several options, but the person couldn't give me the options, but he just said that they brought something like this: fuel in minus lamp. Take note, the answer is ethine, but it was not ethine, I think acetylene. Take note, one of the uses of ethine is that it is used as fuel in miners lamp. Also take note, it is used in Aussie acetylene flame, which is used to weld and cut metals. You should also know that ethine is produced by the action of steam or water on calcium carbide. So that's that. I think that came out yesterday. So very easy. Now, but look at this one, the next one that came out again. Which of the following is passive to concentrated HNO3? Option A, zinc. Option B, iron. Option C, tin. Option D, copper. Now, one thing you should know, whenever you hear the word passive with an acid, it means that that metal does not react with that acid, either in concentrated form or in dilute form. But in this case, we have been told concentrated HNO3. Note this, note this, note this: iron, aluminium, and chromium are all passive to conk HNO3. What it means is that these three guys will not react with concentrated HNO3 because on initial reaction they form a film, they form an oxide that forms a protective layer preventing further reaction. I'll explain. If aluminium is meant to react with conk HNO3, it will form a protective layer on that aluminium or iron or chromium, which will prevent further reaction. So the reaction will not come into completion. So we say that that metal is passive to this acid. Now, one thing you should know is that iron is only passive to concentrated HNO3. Iron is not passive to dilute HNO3. Iron reacts with dilute HNO3, but iron is passive to concentrated HNO3. Take note, aluminium is passive to both dilute and concentrated HNO3. Take note of that. Aluminium is both passive to dilute and concentrated HNO3. So in this case, this is the answer. I told you before that these people always find a way to repeat similar questions. Look at it, they brought out something like this again. They brought out a question again in the evening. This was in the morning. They brought out something again in the morning, in the evening rather. They say aluminium does not react with which acid? They brought it out. Take note, the answer is HNO3. Whether it is dilute or concentrated, aluminium is passive to HNO3, either dilute or concentrated. Now, they brought out this one again, another question again. Look at it. Which organic compound is used to remove grease stain? They brought this out in the evening, engineering students. A, chloromethane. B, dichloromethane. C, trichloroethane, D, tetrachloroethane. The answer is dichloromethane. Now we are going to take note of this point I'm giving to you now. Uses, take note of this, uses of haloalkanes. Uses of haloalkanes. Number one, disinfectant. Take note, we use trichloromethane. Trichloromethane is also called we use trichloromethane. Trichloromethane is also called chloroform. Take note. Number two, antiseptic. We also use trichloromethane, chloroform. Number three, solvent. For grease, wax, and fat, we also use trichloromethane. For laundry or dry cleaning solvent to remove stain, we use tetrachloromethane. Take note of that. Dry cleaner solvent, tetrachloromethane. But to remove grease stain, if they specify, is trichloromethane. Next, fire extinguisher. Take note, tetrachloromethane. Are we there? Yeah. Number six, chlorofluorocarbon. Take note, we use chlorofluorocarbon for aerosol propellant. Aerosol propellant. Take note of all this. So you've been able to answer this, and I urge you to take note of all this.